Go to channel 9 on the left, arrow down.
I can't see.
Without a button on.
14, keep going. Okay, who's driving? Okay, we're on 13. We need to keep going.
I can't even see these numbers.
There you go.
Is that the number?
That's 10. Go. There's 9. Okay. I've got the volume up all the way. There you go. Talk into that hole. Look at my finger. That hole right there where it says Mike. That hole. Okay, say LB Knox, northbound trawler, request your next opening.
This is close to power play.
LB Knox, is that
Yeah.
right?
LB Knox, KNOX. LB Knox.
LB Knox, northbound trawler, request to open.
Okay, just say okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so this radio's not working that well, so we'll forget that. We'll use the handheld for the rest of the trip. So we'll just turn this off.
What we heard it on yours?
We heard it downstairs. We heard it downstairs through that open window. So this radio is transmitting but not receiving.
I think she said when you're closed.
Yeah.
Open when you're closed.
Correct. So we're doing good. She knows we're here. That's the thing. We need to let them know that we're here. She sees us. We said that we were northbound, so she looks to the south. And she will anticipate our approach with the car traffic. And when she gets a break in car traffic, she'll close the wooden barriers and then open the bridge spans for us to clear through.